You are 6 miles deep into the backcountry. The sun is dropping fast, the temperature just fell 15 degrees, and you need fire, food, and shelter before full dark. The one tool that stands between you and a very miserable night is a knife on your belt. And in that moment, you do not care how it looks or how much it costs. You care about one thing and one thing only. Does it work? That question is what separates a great camping knife from everything else on the market. A great camping knife slices vegetables for dinner as cleanly as it processes kindling for your fire. It throws sparks from a ferro rod when tinder is running low. It cuts cordage for your rain tarp, helps dress game in the field, handles gear repairs, and never quits regardless of mud, rain, cold, or the kind of extended hard use that exposes cheap knives in about 20 minutes. In 2026, the outdoor knife market offers more outstanding options than at any point in the sport's history. And choosing the wrong blade from that vast selection wastes your money and potentially puts you in a dangerous position when reliability matters most. Today, we are counting down the 8 most reliable camping knives that never fail in the wild. 8 blades that have been field tested extensively, praised by outdoor professionals and dedicated campers worldwide, and proven across every condition that a wilderness environment can generate. Let's dive in. Number 8. Ontario Rep Model 1 Folding Knife. Kicking things off at number 8 is a folding knife that has earned one of the most fiercely loyal followings in the entire outdoor knife community. A blade that regularly appears on best of lists, forum recommendations, and backcountry gear guides alongside knives that cost 3 to 5 times as much. The same survival experts who taught jungle escape and evasion in the Peruvian Amazon, and their hard-use design philosophy is embedded in every line of this knife. The RAT1 is built around a 3.625-inch AUS 8 stainless steel drop-point blade in a folding package that handles the full spectrum of campsite cutting tasks with serious capability. AUS 8 is a tough, corrosion-resistant Japanese stainless alloy that takes a sharp factory edge and holds it reliably through the sustained cutting demands of extended camping trips, wood processing, food prep, cordage work, and everything in between. For those who want even greater edge retention, the D2 version of this knife represents an extraordinary upgrade in performance for a very modest increase in investment. The handle is constructed from glass-filled nylon, the same polymer used in military-grade hardware, with an ergonomic contoured shape that fills the hand completely and delivers a grip secure enough for demanding cutting tasks in any weather. Manual thumb stud deployment on both sides allows fast, intuitive one-handed opening regardless of which hand you favor, and a liner lock holds the blade open with zero movement and rock-solid confidence. A 4-position reversible pocket clip lets you carry this knife in any configuration: tip up, tip down, strong side, or weak side, giving you complete flexibility to match your camp setup and personal carry preference. At its weight and at its price, the Ontario RAT Model 1 delivers a combination of reliability, durability, and genuine feel performance that makes it the easiest recommendation on this entire countdown. Number 7. Kershaw Blur. Kershaw is an American brand with a reputation for engineering fast, capable, and genuinely practical everyday carry and outdoor knives. And the Blur is the model that represents the absolute sweet spot of everything this brand does well. The moment you take the Blur out of its packaging and press that flipper tab, you will understand immediately why this knife inspires such loyalty among outdoor enthusiasts who put serious mileage on their gear. The Blur features a 3.4-inch blade manufactured from Sandvik 14C28N stainless steel, a premium Swedish alloy that delivers a meaningfully sharper and longer-lasting edge than the generic 8 SAR 13 MOV steel found in most folding knives at comparable prices. Sandvik 14C28N is used extensively in premium Scandinavian knife production precisely because it delivers an ideal combination of cutting sharpness, edge retention, and corrosion resistance for tough outdoor conditions. Wet camp environments, food preparation with acidic ingredients, and the constant exposure to the elements that every camping knife faces over extended trips. Kershaw's proprietary speed-safe, assisted opening mechanism snaps the blade fully open with authoritative speed at the lightest press of the flipper tab or thumb stud. In a camp environment where you frequently need to access your knife with one hand while the other is occupied, holding game, controlling cookware, or stabilizing a rope, that speed and reliability of deployment is a practical advantage that adds up constantly. The aluminum handle frame with TrackTech grip inserts gives you a secure purchase in wet, muddy, or cold conditions where other smooth-handled folders become dangerously slippery. A liner lock engages firmly and holds the blade without any side play, and a reversible deep carry pocket clip keeps the Blur completely concealed and accessible on any camp setup. for campers who want a fast-deploying, premium steel folding knife that handles every task. Number 6. Buckniv's 119 Special Fixed Blade Knife, a blade that has been carried to campsites, hunting grounds, fishing holes, and backcountry destinations for generations, and that continues to earn its place in the hands of serious outdoor users in 2026 with the same reliability that made it legendary decades ago. The Buckniv's 119 Special is made in Post Falls, Idaho, a genuinely American-made fixed blade from a family-owned company that has been perfecting its craft since 1902. The 119 Special features a 6-inch 420HC stainless steel blade with a clip-point profile, and the critical detail that elevates this knife above most other 420HC blades on the market is Buck's proprietary heat treatment process. Over more than a century of knife making, Buck has refined their heat treatment methodology for 420HC to a level that consistently extracts edge sharpness, edge retention, and blade toughness from this steel alloy that far exceeds what the raw specification would suggest. The result is a blade that arrives sharp, stays sharp through real camp use, and sharpens back quickly when it does need attention. 3 qualities that matter enormously when you're living out a pack and maintenance resources are minimal. The clip-point geometry gives you a precise, tapered tip for detailed cutting and processing work, a long and generous belly for slicing and food preparation, and a spine strong enough for the kind of moderate camp tasks. Processing small game, battening kindling, that a properly sized fixed blade handles with ease. The handle is built from stacked genuine leather washers over a full tank construction, creating a grip that is warm in cold weather, naturally shock-absorbing during impact tasks, and that develops a personalized fit over time as the leather conforms to the individual user's hand. An authentic leather sheath with a snap retention strap completes a package that is entirely American-made and built to outlast its owner. Number 5. Spyderco Tenacious, a brand that has changed the way the entire knife industry thinks about folding knife design, and whose budget-tier offering outperforms competitors at twice the investment. The Spyderco Tenacious is the camping folding knife that every outdoor enthusiast in the community eventually discovers and then recommends to everyone they know, because the gap between what it costs and what it delivers is genuinely extraordinary. The Tenacious is built around a 3.39-inch 8SAR 13 MOV stainless steel blade with a full flat grind. And that flat grind is the feature that separates this knife from the competition in ways that matter profoundly during a camping trip. Where most knives in this category use a hollow grind or a saber grind, it applies a full flat grind to the Tenacious, the same geometry found on knives that cost 4 and 5 times as much. A full flat grind creates a blade that is thin behind the cutting edge from the spine all the way to the bevel, producing a cutting geometry that slices through food, cordage, wood shavings, and camp materials with dramatically less drag and resistance than hollow or saber ground alternatives. The practical result is a knife that feels effortless to use for extended sessions of camp food preparation, tinder processing, and general cutting work that makes up the majority of a camping trip's knife use. Spyderco's signature round thumb hole, the iconic spider hole, sits in the blade for fast, natural, and completely ambidextrous one-handed deployment. Once your muscle memory locks in, the Tenacious opens instantly without any conscious effort in the same motion as the draw. The G10 fiberglass handle provides one of the most grip-positive surfaces, maintaining a secure and fatigue-free hold through wet, cold, and extended use conditions. A 4-position reversible pocket clip rounds out a package that justifies every word of the praise the outdoor community has heaped on it since its introduction. Number 4. Gerber Strongarm Fixed Blade Knife. At number 4, we feature the fixed blade that Gear Junkie, Field and Stream, and virtually every other major outdoor publication continues to recommend as the finest combination of field-ready performance, durable construction, and honest value available in the camping and survival fixed blade category. It earns its place among the most trusted camp knives available through consistent, reliable, and repeatable field performance across every outdoor scenario. The Strongarm features a 4.8-inch 420HC stainless steel drop-point blade with a Cerakote ceramic coating, a surface treatment that provides outstanding corrosion resistance, exceptional wear resistance, and a completely non-reflective matte finish that holds up beautifully through extended exposure to the elements. The drop-point blade shape is the ideal geometry for a camp knife, giving you a robust, strong tip for controlled piercing and detail work, a smooth and generous belly for comfortable slicing through food and game, and a flat spine that engages a ferro rod cleanly for fire starting when tinder is wet or scarce. The diamond texture TP rubber handle is the Strongarm's most acclaimed feature across the camping community. a grip surface so precisely textured and so ergonomically contoured that field testers consistently describe it as the most secure and comfortable production camp knife handle available at any price point. The diamond pattern creates thousands of micro-contact points against the palm that prevent slippage under the wet, cold, and fatigue conditions that every extended camping trip eventually generates. Finger grooves position the hand exactly where it needs to be without forcing a single grip style. A lanyard hole at the pommel and a dual-position striking cap add utility. The mall-compatible sheath configures for vertical, horizontal, and drop leg carry, making the Strongarm adaptable to every camp setup and gear configuration. Number 3. ESE 4 Fixed Blade Knife. This knife comes from a brand whose founders literally designed survival tools while teaching jungle escape and evasion in the Peruvian Amazon. And every design decision on the ESE 4 reflects that extraordinary depth of real-world field knowledge. An American factory that produces some of the most rigorously quality-controlled production knives in the industry. And it is backed by the most generous warranty in the knife world. An unconditional, no questions asked, lifetime guarantee covering any type of failure under any use. If your ESE 4 ever breaks for any reason, ESE replaces it. That warranty is not just customer service. It is a statement of engineering confidence that very few companies on Earth are willing to make. The blade is 4.5 inches of 1095 high-carbon steel with a flat grind and a powder coat finish that provides corrosion protection while eliminating glare in field environments where light discipline matters. The 1095 steel takes a razor edge with ease, holds it through the sustained camp tasks, processing wood, preparing food, dressing game, cutting cordage, that define a long outdoor trip, and sharpens back to a working edge quickly with a basic field stone when maintenance is needed without access to a full sharpening kit. The flat grind geometry produces a clean, efficient cutting action through all camping materials, reducing the effort required for extended sessions of food preparation and tender processing. Micarta handle scales, the composite resin laminate that grips more securely as moisture increases, cover the full tang in a 3D, contoured shape that fills the palm and accommodates every camp grip position with equal comfort. Scales are removable with a standard hex wrench for cleaning or replacement. A versatile ambidextrous polymer sheath accepts optional maul backing. The ESE 4 is the camp knife that never lets you down by design and by 2 decades of proven field performance. Number 2. Becker BK2 Companion Fixed Blade Knife. The runner-up position on our countdown goes to the knife that the entire outdoor, survival, and backcountry community has crowned as the most devastatingly capable and structurally invulnerable fixed blade in its price range. A blade that forums, gear guides, and field testers consistently describe as the one knife they would choose if forced to own only a single cutting tool for serious wilderness camping. The BK2 is built around a 5.25-inch 1095 Crowvan high-carbon steel blade with a full flat grind and a quarter-inch thick spine. And that combination of blade length, grinding geometry, and spine thickness is the precise engineering formula for a camping fixed blade that handles both precision tasks and heavy work without requiring users to make any compromises. The full flat grind produces a cutting edge that is efficient and clean through food preparation, tender shaving, and controlled processing work, while the quarter-inch spine gives the BK2 the structural authority to batten through hardwood, process camp timber, pry gear apart, and absorb the impact forces that camping in challenging terrain generates regularly. The 1095 Crowvan alloy is protected by an epoxy powder coat that shields the high-carbon steel against corrosion in wet and humid environments. Essential protection since 1095 carbon steel, despite its outstanding toughness advantages, requires a quality surface barrier to perform through extended rain and moisture exposure without developing rust. The ultra-mid polymer handle scales provide a dimensionally stable, moisture-resistant grip that maintains consistent traction through every weather condition a campsite can generate. A full skeletonized tang runs from blade tip to pommel as one continuous piece of steel, eliminating every structural weakness that stop tang and partial tang construction introduces. A mall-compatible hard plastic sheath carries the BK2 securely. Number 1. Morakniv Companion Fixed Blade Knife. And here we are at number 1. The most reliable camping knife that never fails in the wild in 2026. And the knife that earns this position is not the most expensive on this countdown, not the largest, and not the most militaristically credentialed. It earns number 1 because it is the most universally trusted, most consistently praised, most field-proven, and most genuinely excellent camping knife available at any price point relative to what it delivers. And every experienced outdoor person who has ever carried one knows exactly why this knife sits at the top. The Companion is built around a 4.1-inch Sandvik 12 C27 stainless steel blade with a Scandi grind, and that combination defines the knife's entire performance character. Sandvik 12 C27 is the same high-quality Swedish stainless alloy used in premium Scandinavian knife production worldwide, offering exceptional edge retention, outstanding corrosion resistance, and an ease of field sharpening that no other production steel at this price delivers with equal consistency. The Scandi grind creates a flat, wide bevel with no secondary angle that produces a blade geometry ideal for feather stick preparation, tinder shaving, food preparation, carving, and a complete range of camp cutting tasks that a reliable outdoor knife needs to handle. And its flat bevel geometry makes it one of the simplest knives in existence to sharpen correctly with a basic flat stone, even for users who are new to knife maintenance. The high-friction rubber handle holds firmly in wet hands, cold temperatures, and blood without requiring a grip adjustment. An ergonomic finger guard provides safety confidence during hard cutting sessions. A hard polymer sheath with a belt clip and drain hole carries the Companion securely. It weighs nothing on your belt, costs almost nothing in your pocket, and performs at a level that embarrasses knives at 5 times the investment.